I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the interior. That matters more than speed. Score the sealant bead with a sharp utility knife, making controlled, shallow passes so you don't nick the frame. Once you've got a visible channel, work a thin wire or cold knife into that gap and saw gently while pulling outward. Keep the angle low and steady. This weakens the adhesive without shattering glass. Pause to clear debris so you always see the joint you're cutting. Once the bead is compromised, alternate between sawing with the wire and inserting plastic wedges to widen the gap. This spreads stress and prevents edge chips. Attach suction cups to the glass so you can lift gradually and control the load. If the pane is large, have a helper steady the opposite side. Remove any retaining clips or fasteners one at a time as you go. Make sure to keep the wire in motion and lift slowly so the adhesive peels rather than jerks. After the pane comes free, immediately support it and clear the opening of any loose glass with a vacuum and brush so you don't cut yourself. Scrape remaining adhesive gently, then use a solvent suited to the frame. Test a small area first to dissolve residue. Inspect the frame for nicks, corrosion, or bent clips and repair those issues before proceeding. Once repaired, apply primer and a new bead of sealant per manufacturer specs. Allow tack time. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.